Michelle versus Tina Chin. Kingston 13.
Ashanti,
Yes.
Ashanti, me say, I go over the people in yard and me say, I'm tired. But, uno think say, me say, here, Lord, Michelle, if you want come back because I said me I go so.
Cause guess what, Kingston 13. Lord, did I try be nice still, you know? To T-girl, you know. I know should I eat her.
You know what I say?
But Lord get pissed off, man. And start. And so one warm though. I talk about Donna. And them a diss me. And she said, call back. If you want, call back Michelle and rub out her blood clot. Catching her wicked, she just amongst them for try and get her something promoted. She use her. And she hear them a talk about Donna, she use her. She run go over there full time after we run her from over here, so she use her.
Only use people for sell our cake. Make you one turn over there and sell our cake. Don't back down from her. Put on the eat because it's a Tina Chin don't like nobody. She don't.
Boshaga sue Michelle. She bright. After she can't write letter like you, Michelle. Turn over blood clot. Yo, one of the time I hear Laura say, every time when them time of area come, them start this. Why them not gonna sell them cake? Bumbo clot.
But I true, she attack. I'm not telling to stand up for the right.
Michelle say our business stagnant. So Tina Chin cake business stagnant.
Tina, who did come out come defend you? Tina, who did come out come defend you? When the people on social media did that drug your daughter sickness, never show you how much of a hypocrite you are, girl. I said it is my opinion, and it was not just my opinion. So how come all of the other platforms them will say it? You never say, yeah, carry them go a court. Tina, no cocoa girl can carry me go a court.
Bumbo!
Yeah, idiot. Because let me inform.
Walandi! No, sir! Money pull up!
You never say, yeah, carry them go a court. Tina, no cocoa girl can carry me
Bumbo!
go a court, idiot girl. Yeah, idiot. Because let me inform you of this now. Because since you want to take it there, let me take it there with you.
This platform is not for this, so what if you do? When somebody a juke out me eye, if you just come see him where take the juke out eye and just talk about Donna, talk the truth.
No, talk about something else.
No. But remember at the end of the day, I said, it's not who shit a bush, smell it. This platform is not for war, but that don't mean that people are always come and juke out.
I don't lie that. I can't believe man say truth to them people. I can't believe. Not just that alone. Most people when them shit, them never think for them shit stick. Make somebody else go in the toilet afterwards.
You have to understand that too, you know. Blood run through, you know. You know, see the pose what Tina make. Nobody no trouble Tina. What wrong we do now? We have to be fair, man.
They defend we when shit a go down.
No, me not even say them not defend, but
easy, Laura.
I understand. You see, me call Tina 2 times, you know. And Tina did not answer, call Tina 2 times. Just to tell her, say, Tina, don't follow what them I put out there. But I know the plan. I think this time of year is a spell. Don't spell for me.
I don't believe not too much blood clot over here. Eh? No, I'm nothing to do with Obia. Different type of powder them there. That are the cocoa. Lord.
Take time and ning. Then it ended up getting manifest. So if it manifest, it have to manifest with a cause. And what is so much you can ignore till you're definitely, when you see it won't stop, you have to come and either put a stoppage to it, or if the worst should have come, the worst just come. That's me. I tell you no mistake. When I respect somebody, I try and
Training. Now go shut up too.
things.
Alright?
Pertaining to Tina Chin. Right? Tina Chin, you hear a voice recording go out there stating Michelle say you want same so TV. Alright? That's your name. No problem to defend your name. But I think woman enough, you should have been woman enough, then take your live and say, Michelle and Lorraine, I don't appreciate what I hear, and you know, it's not me. In my opinion, let me tell you the honest truth, because I'm not be hypocrite for long. Right? Same so TV, the good part our page. And I tell you, I'm not go school, but I'm very street smart. Michelle, saying in her opinion, she believe Tina is behind CMSO TV. Michelle are the first somebody say it. Whole heap of blogger say it. I can name the list and go on, but I won't call it.
So it never make no sense. We hear the voice over them. We T-girl I try to change up our voice, but you can't tell clearly. So we hear, this Lorraine and them over there. And do the voice so I can hear so she clear part it.
Oh, it look. Remember, you know, Michelle not say nothing bad about CMSO TV, you know. She talk about Tina. So all CMSO TV catch in her feelings and a style Michelle.
Cause a T-girl. And on a CMSO
from
TV,
that day we can go feed. From the recording go out, CMSO TV style Michelle straight down and no stop. Oh, that look. Because if we have a problem with you, I would have addressed you or call you and tell you what me not like. For what me not like. You understand? Why when it come them Caesar is a set, is a ticket, is a
Bumbo clot, you listen this right now.
Name there. Well, when it come them time of area, you have to war for sell food. Food will go to people, but it must go there healthy and blessed. It must go there in a misery. Must not go there in a misery.
T-girl, you have a war with your misery kid them for try and sell them. Cause you and them a war, so I must use short talk. You misery kid them, then nobody now buy them there.
It must go there healthy, presented, and blessed, and have love.
No love, none of your cake, T-girl.
Come up with misery.
If Lord can say so.
Not make your business stagnant. And Michelle, opinion, I make your business stagnant. Go and have several seats. You can't carry me going to court because here we got when you carry me to court now, Lord Tina Chin. And so when you carry Michelle Bradshaw to court, my boss may have to defend me because I can't defend myself.
Bumbo.
To that, and the judge will say yes. I can see where the person sound like Tina Chin. When Ashanti them did that drag you,
boy.
You hypocrite, eh? Who did ready for the march for you, wicked girl, eh? You walk up on social media and you do things from yesterday. Me see you call up me name. You can't carry me to no court because if you can't carry the other platform, then or you have to carry me, I mean, alone say it. Tina, you think people are fool? Tina, I'm tired to tell you, you know. Me used to run several forums on social media. I know how it works. I'll never talk it again.
Yeah, my hobby, you see me.
That the owner of CMSO TV is Tina Chin. Yeah, that's my opinion. Me no know which courthouse you can carry me in for my opinion. This is the mix-up when I come with.
You run gun.
You see the avenue where you are going to because I know where it come from, you know. Me know where it come from, you know.
Don't run, Kim, don't run.
You're one of the hypocrites because you don't remember say this year Michelle Bradshaw, how much time she defend you upon this platform. This year Michelle Bradshaw who you did drag years ago who you never meet in your life because you're up on a platform and you look friend. Yeah, me have the evidence, you know. I can bring them out and show them. And I still turn around and defended you. Yeah? Me still turn around and defend you. And you come talk what you want, can't go court. Oh, come, you can't carry nobody else go court. Your business stagnant long time because of your attitude and the mix up them way in up on social media.
Long time we say that.
So don't come call me name and come talk about because me call your name and say your own. If I that alone, if that was the only thing your name would have involved in, your business wouldn't stagnant. Because I didn't say anything bad. Tina, you know me from my blog, you know. You should have known say the wrong girl on social media ever try step to. Wrong girl on social media ever try step to. Me see you come, you know. Me see where you put up yesterday. From yesterday, me see say you Iggy for me.
Yeah, man. Iggy.
I me love it. And you can come today, come talk about lawsuit. Go sue the people then when you the drugs to put in your hole, and that you forgot do.
Boom, boom.
Wrong girl on social media ever try step to. Me see you come, you know. Me see where you put up yesterday. From yesterday, me see say you Iggy for me, you know. I me love it. And you can come today, come talk about lawsuit. Go sue the people then when you the drugs to put in your hole, and that you forgot do.
Praka. Bombardos.
You couldn't sue all of the people them will bring out people come talk about your dirty life. You couldn't sue the people them who already said, long before Michelle said, that are you own CNSO TV. But Michelle, you have strength for girl, wrong one.
Bombo.
So here is my advice to you, because I'm never said this again. Never say it again. It is my friggin' opinion that Tina Chin is the owner of CNSO TV. Go file the lawsuit today and make me hear you go a court. Because I'm going to show you so you can't step to me. I'm going to show you that you're an idiot. You're a fool.
Wow.
You can't sue somebody for them opinion, idiot girl. And any judge will hear the voice over where you